Hey friends, I want to take a moment to show you the PEMF mats that I've talked about this week in my email. So first off, I have a little tiny one that I have in my chair, and let's see if I can bring it up here. So notice it's just a small, probably 24 by 24 inch. It's got heavy, the laser lights that go across right here, the red light lasers. I won't turn them on because they're super, super bright. It's got a remote control, or not, you got the power button. It's got the PEMF therapy right here, and then the red light or photon therapy, and it's got a timer and temperature because it's heated also with infrared light. So you can see in this corner, it's got all sorts of stones that help with the grounding, the earthing. And so that's my little mat that I usually keep in my office. It actually should show you also, it's got on the back of it, it's got little straps that you can undo, and so that you can wrap it around your back or wrap it around your leg or whatever, and it attaches, it velcros together. Now my other mat is a big one that we just have in our bedroom, laying in the floor next to the sauna. This might be hard to show, but so we've got this mat. I have this cover on it because my dog likes to lay on it. So there he goes. And just to protect it. But I'll take this cover off. And you can see it's loaded with stones and for the grounding. And then it's super thick. And I will turn it on. So here is the remote. This one's a little bit more detailed. So power it on. Lots of different PEMF modes right here. I like this F6 recovery mode. We'll turn on the photon lights. It's got heat, the infrared heat. It's got a blanket that you can use to hold in the heat, but there you can see the lights. These red lights are spread out more, so they kind of cover your whole body, but it's you can see it. This is the Healthy Line Platinum Pro, and so yeah, I absolutely love this mat for if you're ever stuck in kind of fight or flight mode, or like stress mode. If you lay on this mat, then it's great for just calming the body. It just like releases that stress, that tension. It's great for pain relief if you have pain. Both mats truly are. I feel like the little mat is more for targeted issues. Like I'll place it over my chest, or if one of the kids has a sprained ankle from sports, they put the mat right on, directly on that. But this big mat is it's great for just resetting yourself. And yeah, getting that grounding effect. And so truly, absolutely love these. These were a great purchase. I love this brand. And so if you have questions about what brand I use, it is the Healthy Line. And you'll see that in my bio. If you go to my bio, you'll find the link, and it's probably most of the way down the page currently, but it is the Healthy Line bio, and or healthy line link, and I think you'll absolutely love them. The PEMF therapy, again, is great for blood flow, creating that circulation, creating that, getting the food to your cells, the food that it needs, basically, to your cells, to the ligaments, to all of that. It just helps with that circulation. It helps with just bringing healing throughout your entire body. So highly recommend them. Highly recommend PEMF therapy. It's been around for a long time. It's just kind of now starting to be talked about, and it's huge. It's greatly beneficial. So